This is Barry from Driving Intelligence, and I've just been given guidance on how to talk to you people for my automotive videos. And it was from my family, right here. We're actually celebrating my nephew's birthday. He's 8 years old today. He actually is planning on making YouTube videos with toys, but maybe he'll graduate to cars someday. That's my sister-in-law and my brother. So my nephew here is going to show us how I should start my videos.
So hey, so I am Peter, and I am going to talk about how my uncle can improve his videos with how he talks in them. So I think he should have an intro. Now, he does have like a picture intro, but that's not enough. So it should be more like this. Hey guys, it's Barry, so from Driving Intelligence, and we are going to, and then blah blah blah, whatever you're talking about in the video. So that is the intro, how he should do it in his videos. So there's also an outro you need to do, which you do not have.
What's an outro?
An outro is like what you say to end the video.
What's that like?
So it's like, hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you guys next time on Driving Intelligence.